crochet to the bottom of the thread. 1 loop. The middle finger of the right hand is placed on the coil. Left ring finger and little finger clamp the thread. The middle finger and thumb pinch the intersection. Crochet on top of the thread. Wire hooked out. Tighten the thread. This is the starting needle of the locking needle. Crochet on top of the thread. Wire hooked out. So this is a locking pin. Crochet on top of the thread. Wire hooked out. Crochet on top of the thread. Wire hooks out. Crochet on top of the thread. Wire hooks out. Crochet on top of the thread. Wire hooks out. This is how the locking needle is woven. Locked needles are also called braided needles.